Want to switch your WordPress site into another language? Stay with me and I'll walk you through it step by step. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. First, open your browser and head to wordpress.com. Log into your account, and once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu. Click on Settings and then select General. Here you will find an option called Site Language. Click the drop down, scroll through the list and pick your preferred language. WordPress supports a wide variety, so you'll almost always find the one you need. Once you've chosen, don't forget to hit Save Changes at the bottom. That's the key step. Without saving, your changes won't apply. After saving, your site will instantly switch to the new language. And that's it. Your WordPress site is now updated and ready in your chosen language. If you ever want to switch again, just repeat these steps. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more WordPress tutorials.